Hi, I'm with Paul Jarman, CEO of Nice CXone. So, Paul, we heard you say, I'm more excited about what we're doing next than anything we've done before. So, what is it you're so excited about?
Blair, I've been in this industry for over 20 years, and we've seen some big steps in the industry over time around, helping contact centers, improving customer experiences. But really what I'm excited about is that the market is changing so fast right now. And what's happening is that so many of the customer experiences or the customer need events are not really hitting the contact center anymore, or they're going somewhere digitally first before they get to the contact center. And so when you look at what's happening out in the market today, we think there's a chance and an opportunity to recreate a whole new market for customer experience. And what we're calling that is CXI, or Customer Experience Interactions. And what that means is it's all the interactions, all the need events that any customer might have, and managing all of them, irregardless if it starts at a search on a website, if it needs to be proactive, or if it goes to an agent, or it needs to be in self-service, but all the different variables or different types of interactions that we can help companies make all of those successful.
Now, CXI is not a product, so it's a market, and it's more than just, it's not a product, so CXone is a product. So can you talk a little bit about how CXone fits into this?
Yeah, so sometimes people talk to our market as CCaaS, or customer service, customer experience as a service. And really what we're saying is it's more than just helping the contact center. What we're really saying is it's helping companies manage all their interactions. So yeah, when we talk about CXI, we're talking about a market opportunity to help manage all interactions for companies. And we do that with our product, which we call CXone, which is a suite of solutions. It's a platform, and it's the place where we help companies make this happen.
So you also talked about the digital doorstep. What is that, and how does that tie in?
You bet. So what we're finding is a lot of customers, when they have what I call a needs event, they start with a search or a website, or they go to social media or different places that are not the contact center. So they start at what we call a digital doorstep. And the question is how do companies get all the way up to the customer's original part of that need event, which is in many cases a digital origination point, and smartly and seamlessly start an effective conversation to solve that issue. And so really it's a doorstep where most customers are going now to start to solve a problem.
And then what about AI? How does Enlighten AI fit into all of this?
So when you look at the complexity of this journey that we're now doing, how it can be over so many different channels, it can start in so many different places, and you look at the information needed to successfully guide through this journey, it takes a lot of data and AI. So we've created Enlighten AI. Enlighten AI is a sum of data, and it's a sum of labeled data, and that data combined with our analytics and AI systems, it basically improves multiple parts in the journey. It might be helping the agent with their quality. It might be assisting how we schedule. It might be training and teaching the bots how they work with customers and the knowledge they need to be successful. So really it's a powerhouse of data and models and AI to make multiple points in the journey better.
Okay, so aside from CXI as an overall market and CXone as a platform, how are you bringing everything together? Because you have so many different parts of the company and parts of the platform. CXone as a platform just has so many different elements. So how is everything coming together?
Well, first of all, what we've done is we've put all of these different applications or solutions on the CXone platform. So they all work together to start with. And each of those, from the digital doorstep to the self-service to the orchestration to helping the agent to be prepared to analyzing performance, all of those run as solutions in a suite running on top of a platform, which simplifies significantly for a company how they execute this strategy. They're not taking 10 plus different point solutions and trying to make all that integrated into a process. We've made all that easy. We've made it in the cloud. We've made it interconnect with each other. And we've also connected it to the other parts of a company's ecosystem, like their CRM or their collaboration or their ERP. So really, by making it all a single solution on an open platform, we've made it so it's so much easier to be successful in this area than what they've done in the past.
So for existing customers, is there anything that they need to do or change?
So for a lot of our existing customers that are already on CXone, the great news is you're already on the platform, which simplifies your ability to still choose additional solutions or additional products that can help them extend their journeys and help them reach out all the way from that digital doorstep to the analysis of the performance. So the good news is no, on the platform, it's simple to continue their journeys.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks for your time, Blair.